Exercise number 29 of 700 second half paragraph 80 word per minute speed. This dictation is recorded by Shahid Ramzan, stenographer, Civil Code, Mian Chanu. Ready? Start. Railways have quite a long history if we go back to the times when the trains were led by horses, but they have a history of only 100 or so years. When we speak of the railway in its modern form, full stop, the present heavy railway, with great engines and iron or steel railway lines, was developed in this country, and from here it was soon sent to most parts of the world, full stop. The English built railways were found not only in this country but in other countries overseas, and in a remarkably short time engines were carrying trains full of people and goods at rates as high as those used today, full stop, new para. These rates do not seem very remarkable today, used as we are to hearing of planes moving at 500 or 1,000 miles an hour, but they seemed very remarkable to people 100 years ago, full stop. There were no motor cars and the horse was used as the quickest, safest and best means of getting about on roads that were for the most part very bad indeed, full stop. Quite small distances often took days to cover, full stop. In such conditions as these, it is natural that the railway seemed a thing of most outstanding importance, full stop. It is certain that without it this country could not have gone forward in the wonderful way it has, full stop. It is doubtful whether even the plane in this age has really been so important for the country as the train was in the early age, full stop. In the building of railways this country led the world, but in recent years certain other countries have shown more drive in keeping their railways clean and up to date, full stop.